Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Vibes, your go-to channel for the latest and greatest in technology. Today, we have something very exciting to talk about, the much-anticipated DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. If you're a fan of high-quality action cameras, then get ready, because this one is going to blow your mind. We've already seen the rise of action cameras over the years, and with 2024 well underway, the Osmo Action 5 Pro is set to push the boundaries of what these cameras can do. From extreme sports to casual vlogging, this action camera has something for everyone. When you first get your hands on the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro, the design immediately stands out. It's a perfect blend of sleekness and toughness, making it ideal for both aesthetics and functionality. Whether you're scaling mountains, riding the waves, or hiking through dense forests, the Osmo Action 5 Pro is built to withstand the harshest conditions. The improved waterproofing capabilities mean you can now dive even deeper, capturing clear footage up to 30 meters underwater, compared to the previous generation's 10 meters. For extreme sports enthusiasts and underwater divers, this is a game changer. Imagine snorkeling or scuba diving and being able to capture vibrant, high-definition underwater shots without any extra housing. Another significant improvement in the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro is its dual-screen display. The front-facing screen is a dream come true for vloggers, allowing you to frame your shots perfectly, even in bright sunlight. It's no longer a guessing game when you're vlogging outdoors, thanks to the bright, high-resolution display that ensures clear visibility, regardless of the lighting conditions. The 4K video recording capability is nothing short of spectacular, allowing you to shoot in up to 120 frames per second, FPS. This means you'll get incredibly smooth footage, even during fast-paced activities like biking, surfing, or skateboarding. DJI is a brand synonymous with stabilization, and they've once again proven their dominance with the Osmo Action 5 Pro. Featuring the latest RockSteady 3.0 stabilization system, this action camera ensures buttery smooth footage, even when you're running, biking, or navigating rough terrain. Battery life is a crucial factor for any action camera, and DJI has made some significant strides with the Osmo Action 5 Pro. In under 30 minutes, you can charge the battery to 80%, ensuring you spend less time waiting and more time capturing those special moments. The base model starts at approximately $399, which is a competitive price point for such a feature-rich action camera. In conclusion, the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro is a powerful, feature-packed action camera that raises the bar for what's possible in 2024. From its rugged, adventure-proof design to its exceptional image quality and advanced stabilization features, this camera is built for those who want the best in action videography. Until next time, stay tuned for more exciting content.